Okay, we're back at it with the onions now. These are the onions that we grew from discarded scallions, wilted discarded scallions, which have now grown into our very robust spring transplants. And I'm going to lay them in a track out front of this bed here, just about as deep as I can get them. Sometimes I'll even bend them over to get them in deeper. And when you grow a transplant of this size, you're really bound to do a lot better than starting out with some little bitty thing. So we love getting our transplants up to size, and it gives us a tremendous jump in the early spring. So you can see we don't waste a lot of time fussing them in. As long as it's in deep and standing upright, once the water comes back, they'll root and they'll be off to the races. These guys are heavy feeders, but I can come back and hit them with liquid fertilizer or side dressing at any point that I choose. Mulch them in, boom, boom, done.